What's up YouTube? I'm John Wheels, and today I'm going to show you how to film welding on an iPhone camera. So first you're going to press and hold where you're going to be welding, and then you see the little sun icon on the right. You're going to drag that down a bunch of times until it gets all the way dark at the bottom. And then you can start your video and take off welding. Here's a look for what you'll actually see whenever you film it. I just had the screen record of the video so you could see what I was doing to get this effect. I'll zoom in for you here too. I wasn't the first person to think of this on iPhone, but I'm helping out Taylor Welding, another awesome YouTube welding channel, so definitely check them out. I'll leave them in the description. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment below.